Hello everyone! Today we are gonna make a very easy wrap skirt. It can be made in a short time. Let's get started. I'm gonna use this bedding set. Fold in half the fabric. Draw a line quarter of waist and add 1.5 inches. Everything includes seam allowance and ease. After 1 inch down from the center line, connect it from the end and make line smooth. Mark 8 inches from the center. Draw a line quarter of hips and add 3 inches. This is a semi-full skirt. If you like tighter design, just add 1 inch. Draw the skirt length. Mine is 24 inches. This is not a final length. We are gonna add more ruffle later. Connect the waist and hips end. Draw a side line 22 inches long. Connect this end and that end. The back panel is now complete. Let's move on to the front panels. Lay out the fabric with the wrong side facing up and place the back panel on it. Connect the left and right ends diagonally and make the line smooth. This is the right front panel when worn. Place the fabric long side facing up and mark it 1 inch down from the right end and connect it here to the left end. This is the left front panel when worn. Back panel, left and right front panels when you wear. Sew the side of the back and front right sides together and serge. Let's make darts on the back panel. Mark at the middle. Mark at the middle of the middle. Draw a line 6 inches down. Connect each half inches apart. Tie the end of the dart with a knot to prevent it from losing. Do the same the other dart too. After fitting, the front side looks a little bit breaky, so I cut the left and right 3 inches each. Fold the hem twice and sew the edge of the skirt. The curved part can be sewn neatly by folding once and sewing, and then folding once again and sewing. Cut the ruffle like this. This part need to serge and make ruffle. This part need to be hemmed. Let's make ruffles automatically with the sewing machine. Tension dial to the max and length button to the max. Be sure to try it on a piece of scrap before you start. Attach the ruffle to the right front panel first. Bend the seam allowance toward the skirt and do top stitch. Mark the center of the waistband and attach it between the right front and back panels. for the end of the waistband and cut it like this. After sewing the waistband to the waist part of the skirt, iron it like this and sew. Bend the seam allowance to upward and cut or notches the curved part. Mark the position between right front and back skirt. This is the buttonhole stitch foot. This much will be the buttonhole. Attach the buttonhole presser foot. Pass the upper thread down through the hole in the foot. Select a stitch and lower the presser foot lever. We are gonna cut with a seam ripper. Thank you for watching.